Today, we're talking about how to add a shower head to a bathtub that doesn't currently have a shower head. So maybe your current bathtub looks like this, where you have a single handle mixer valve to mix the hot and cold water, but you can only take a bath. There's no way of taking a shower. You'll notice there's no diverter on the shower tub spout. Or it could be a two-handle setup like this. So one option is to buy one of these universal tub spouts with the handheld shower fitting. If you look closely on this tub spout, you'll see just behind the spout there is a 1/2 inch male national pipe thread fitting, and that's where you would screw on a shower hose. On the other end of the shower hose, you would screw on your handheld shower head, and then that shower head would rest or dock on this shower mount. This shower mount you can screw to the wall, the studs in the wall, in the bathroom. It also has a self-stick pad. I've installed this setup myself. It's a quick, simple way to add a shower to a bathtub that doesn't currently have a shower.
Wow.
But again, this only works if you have an actual tub surround where you can actually stand up and take a shower without having to worry about getting drywall damaged or wet by taking a shower. So keep that in mind. Another option, if you have a higher budget, you can of course cut into the wall and install a shower mixer valve and install a pipe from the mixer valve up to where you would want your shower head to come through the wall, and install the proper fittings. That's more intensive, more expensive. This is a quicker, simpler option. And yet another option, again using one of these universal tub spouts with that handheld shower fitting, is you can install one of these adjustable slide bar mounts. It's a shower accessory, and if you look closely, the handheld shower head docks onto the unit, and you can adjust it up and down on that bar to adjust the height or the position. I hope this information helps and gives you some ideas. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.